Well, that's it. I finally beat it. It took a lot of digging, sawing, and some serious prying with a crowbar. Not to mention a lot of muscle power to pull this thing out. Guys, this is my backyard and my goal is to have a beautiful green lawn here. But to get there I have to put in a work and get rid of things like this stump. As you can see, last year I drilled holes in it to help it rot, but it didn't do a thing. It might look small, but I'm telling you it was a tough nut to crack. To get rid of stump like this, you'll need a spade, crowbar, a handsaw, a good pair of gloves, and most importantly, a lot of determination. The strategy is actually very simple. First, I start digging around the stump. Here's a tip for you. Start digging at least 1 meter away from the center, because you need some space for the dirt. When I hit the roots, I cut them close to the stump and then try to dig them out as far as they go. This clears the path to keep digging deeper. I use the crowbar to pry the roots upward and clear the dirt from underneath the stump. It sounds simple, but you definitely have to put your back into it. It took me an hour and 20 minutes of hard work, but for you it's only an 8-minute video. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. And enjoying the video now. Thanks guys.